Hello students once again I with you. And students, today we are going to discuss class 10 politics, and it is the lesson 6. Name of the lesson is the political parties. So students, under this lesson we will try to discuss some important fact related to the political parties, our governments, the politics, like that, so on. So first we will try to understand what is political party. Second, why do we need political parties? Main component of the political parties: the leaders and the active members, the followers. So student, first we will try to understand what is political parties. That means in here we try to understand what is the means of political party, what is that which we can say as a political party. So students, political party is a group of persons which especially has been made by some special persons, and they try to take a decision to make a party. After making party, if their party try take election and they will win and they can make their government. It is the matter of political party. All political parties' main aim is this: many members to be present in the political parties. In our democratic system, such facilities has been present, which has been given by our constitution. Any person can form a political party under rule and regulation. They can take some extra members in their parties without making membership, without making followers. What to be position of that? So if any party, any persons will try to make some persons group and give the name of that political party any especially, for example, anything you can say BJP, Congress, so and so. Many parties has been present in your country. After that, starting time, some limited persons to be present in the party. They try to make a membership system in state level, country level, district levels. The membership to be improved. After so many membership, they try to announce that next contest, our party is going to take a part of the election. Our party will contest this election. Our party will choose our candidate to so many places in this election. This is the matter of party. This has been power to creating a party in our democratic system by the constitution. So students, it is the matter of this. Next, why do we need political parties? In here we should understand what is the importance. What is the importance of political parties? If any political party will not be present in place in near of country, or under the country, under the state or districts, what to be? Or then will not be made, any other person cannot create a government. So students, it's not possible. Because in our democratic system, party can do all of every work. Political parties which has been registered under election commission as a systematic way, they can contest the election, and after winning the maximum majority representative, then they can make the governments. It is the process and system of political party. After this facilities, this system and process, what do we use of political party? What is the benefit? So it is the legal benefit of political party. Our parliament, our judiciary, all everything to be under control of political party who has been win the election, who has made the governments. Other parties will be in the against, in the opposition. This system has been present in our India. Which party will win the election in the majority, they can make the governments as a PM, minister and all every authority by themselves, by under their members. And other party who cannot get a majority, who has been in the minority, become a representative, they will sit in the opposition. They will take action as a opposition. It is the matter of political party. Political party can create any type of important which has been to any special place. If for UP, which situation has been nowadays, school should be so many days closed. Who has been taking this action? State governments. Whose party's government is present time? That is a BJP. What is BJP? BJP is the political party. This is the system of political party and this is the need of the political party. What is the means of against? Which party has not become the election? Which party has not become as a majority? That means minority and majority. In central government, we will try to discuss. Membership person of parliament is 543. Who has been majority? Is a BJP. There has been more than 50% of members. And who has been against opposition? Congress and other party. This is the matter of position and opposition. So this process you can find out in the state governments also. So students, other point, main component of political parties. So in here we try to understand what is the main fact, what is the main importance, which is legal process should be important by all every parties. Then can any parties be registered by the election commission as a political party in our country. So that first the leaders and active members and last the followers. So students, if any persons, any group, somebody's council try to make any political party, first they will try to decide a leader of their self. Under that group, they will try to decide a leader which will try to lead that party, and after become a leader, the other person, some other person also should be important, very important, that to be active members, which leader try to make as a placeholder, for example, secretary, cashier, like that, so other general secretary, members, like that, so these to be as active members, they try to make a specific role in the political party, they try to promote all every general's members to the upsides, which we are discussing followers. Followers is all every members which may be included in any party, that are called as a follower. Any party who lead as a leader, that person is called as a leaders. Leaders may be in all party, 1, 2 also may be, and active members, it may be more than place. For example, you can say in BJP, in UP, the other members has been responsible. In Bihar, other member will try to lead states, and in other states, other person has been get the responsibility. And like that, district also, every district has been party try to make a district president. Like that, sir. Same as matter you can find out in every other party also. For example, Congress, Samajwadi Party, Mamata Banerjee has made a famous party. Like that, in every party, this system, this process is running. If any person try to make a party, they should try to decide who will be leader of this party. They should be decide some active member of that party, and which member try to make many type of follower, under their party, and follower try to make majority to that party in the government. Without majority, what is the benefit, what is the needs and importance of any political party? If any political party cannot become under the government, cannot become the government, what is the means, what is the benefit? So students, all political parties, it is the major aim, their decision, they try to make their governments, and government should be under of their control, and other parties should be opposition of their self. It is the matter of political party. So students, it is the first video of this lesson, and students, it is your lesson political parties, chapter 6, class 10, and students, other topic in other video also we will discuss, student. So it is the first part, students. Now students, thank you very much. Thanks to all of you students.